I'm home.
One bag, one gun, 3 horns, Triceratops.
Triceratops, you're unconventional! One more stunt like that and I'll have your badge!
Have this. Anything else, Lieutenant?
Triceratops, coming this fall on ABC.
Wow, a maverick cop who can't work within the system. I think that's unprecedented.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, yikes. Oh.
Yep, it's me. Need a change.
I guess you're feeling pretty proud now, aren't you?
Made it all by myself.
I think you better do something about this, Pally boy. I'm beginning to feel a little bit woozy.
Yeah, all right. I guess there's no avoiding the dirty work. Fran, we need a diaper change in here pronto.
3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and... Okay, sweet ladies. You've laid your eggs. Now it's time to shake those tails and tighten those tushies. And 1 and 2 and...
Grandma, you could do some exercise in your chair, you know.
Believe me, sweetie, at my age, waking up is all the exercise I need.
Franny, you gotta change the kid. The wallpaper's starting to peel in here.
Okay, Earl, I'll be right in.
Fran, why can't he do it?
You mean Earl changed the diaper?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
It's not like he's real busy in there.
I don't know. Watching TV, burping, scratching himself, his plate's pretty full.
Yeah, Mom. Why don't you let Daddy change a diaper once in a while?
Oh, I couldn't do that.
Why not?
Well, because, I don't know. I just never have.
Fran, if you're ever going to have a life of your own, you've got to train Earl to take a little responsibility.
Train him? But that sounds so cold.
Nonsense. It's a perfectly normal part of marriage. Here, if he gives you any trouble, just smack him on the snout with this.
Mother, please.
Franny, get in here. And bring a beer while you're at it. And some pretzels, too.
Give me that. I've changed every diaper in this house for the past 15 years. Now it's your turn.
Well, we're skipping my turn.
I'm not getting any fresher over here.
You know, Dad, Mom's got a point. I mean, it is kind of sexist to expect her to change all the diapers just because she's a female.
Well, we don't want to be sexist now, do we, son?
Uh-huh.
Here, knock yourself out.
I'm waiting.
Earl, Earl, this isn't Robbie's responsibility.
Oh, thanks, Mom. Later.
I'll be back in 10 minutes.
What?
Does it stink in here, or is it me?
All right, let's get this over with. Roy, give me a hand.
Daddy, easy, careful.
Let's see what we got here.
Easy. You sure you know what you're doing?
Haven't a clue.
Hey, don't you worry, little guy. You're in capable hands. See, your dad and Uncle Roy have everything under control. Yeah.
Hey, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Okay, let's open her up.
Oh, no.
It's okay. It's okay. We can get through this. Let's just breathe through our mouths and think of daisies. Roy, don't leave me alone here with this. Don't you point that thing at me.
Gotcha.
Earl, it couldn't have been that bad.
Oh, Fran, it was horrible. I mean, I've heard stories, but nothing could prepare me for that.
It was no picnic for me either.
Well, you better get used to it, Earl, because it's going to be your responsibility from now on.
I am not changing any more diapers.
Neither am I.
This could get ugly.
This is female's work. That's why I married a female.
We'll discuss this later. I don't want to lose my temper in front of the B-A-B-Y.
Okay, but I'm telling you right now, I'm not changing any more D-I-P. No, wait, D-A-I... No. D-A-P... No. J...
Earl, he's your son, too, and you're going to change every last one of his diapers until he's potty trained.
That's it!
Huh?
Potty training!
What?
You got an hour before you have to cook dinner.
Huh?
Take him up to the bathroom, show him how it's done. We're both off the hook.
First of all, Earl, potty training takes weeks. And second of all, he's too young.
First of all, Fran, you're wrong. And second of all, you're wrong. So I guess you'll lose this argument.
You think the baby can be potty trained? Fine, you do it.
Fine. I'll have this kid out of diapers in no time.
Fine. What are we talking about?
Now, you're a big boy. You're going to start using the potty just like Bobby and Daddy. Doesn't that sound like fun?
No.
Hey, is that any way to talk to your new friend? Here, watch me. Hi there, Mr. Toilet. How are you today? Oh, fine, Earl. Good to see you again. Isn't our special time already? Oh, not for me, Mr. Toilet. I brought a little friend who'd like to meet you. He'd like to know how you work, Mr. T. Oh, well, if he's a friend of yours, I'd be happy to tell him. And by the way, did you lose weight? You look terrific. Oh, stop it. No, I mean it. No, you shouldn't. No, you do. You look... All right. That does it.
What?
See? Here.
What's that thing?
This is Mr. Toilet's son.
Hey, there's a hole in this chair.
Of course there's a hole in it. That's the whole point. Now, go.
Don't want to go.
Oh, come on. Mr. Toilet's a friend.
No.
And the best way to treat a new friend is to sit in them and give him a big present.
That's disgusting.
That may be, but you're going to do it anyway because it's time for you to grow up.
Don't want to grow up.
You gotta.
No.
All right, let's see what it says. If friendly encouragement does not succeed, mental imagery can be used to induce results. No. For example, you can ask the child to imagine a babbling brook flowing forth rushing water. Or a large dam ready to burst under the weight of an immense rain-swollen reservoir. Ooh. Or a gushing, rushing, splishing, splashing waterfall, spraying forth a mighty stream, trickling, drizzling, drip, drip, drip. Whoa! Out of my way, I'll show you! They threw my daddy!
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, dear.
Ooh, hors d'oeuvre.
Howdy do, Earl.
Fine, now let's eat. I'm starved.
Oh.
And what would you be doing?
Nothing.
You're gonna make a poop, aren't you?
Maybe.
He's going.
Definitely.
Are you going or not?
Not anymore.
All right. That's it. We're going back up to the bathroom, and we're not coming out until one of us is potty trained.
No.
Yes.
Daddy, don't gotta go.
Tough. Have another prune.
No, no, no.
Warden, what brings you down here?
Bad news, Rocco. The governor turned down your appeal for clemency. He said you're not civilized enough to live in society.
Civilized? Who wants to be civilized? It's freedom I'm after. Freedom to do what I want to do and go where I want to go.
I wanna go where I wanna go.
You're gonna go right now. Wait, I'm gonna get you some prune juice. That'll make you go.
Don't be a baby, Rocco. Get in the chair.
No, not the chair.
Not the chair.
Society has spoken, Rocco. It's time to give you the juice.
No, not the juice.
Not the juice.
Mother Phillips, you're lying there so calm and peaceful. If only you had a tag on your toe. Baby, I'm coming. I got something for you.
I'm gonna go where I wanna go. There.
Junior, have we made a little deposit in the porcelain bank? Huh? Huh? No. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. Hold your breath.
The motor running. Head out on the highway. Looking for adventure. Or whatever comes my way. Born to be wild.
Don't worry, little guy. I'm going to get you out of there. You may feel a little pressure. Just relax and don't touch anything.
Are you two still in there?
Oh, hi, honey. What's up?
Earl, it's late. Come to bed. You can try again tomorrow.
Fran, this is a delicate procedure. I know what I'm doing. Go back to sleep. Oh, my My son!
Earl, did he go?
Oh, yeah, he's gone.
He went? Oh, that's wonderful. I'm so proud of both of you. Are you coming to bed?
Yeah, in a minute. We're, basking in the afterglow.
Oh.
I'm coming, son!
Pretty. Whoa! Breakfast time! I'm hungry. Somebody feed me!
Hey, pal, this is the forest. Nobody tells anybody what to do around here.
Yeah.
If you're hungry, get yourself something to eat.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Where's the fridge?
Fridge? What's a fridge?
As I understand it, it's a sort of prison for very tiny creatures. It's very cold, there are no windows, and for some reason there are adjustable shelves.
Wow. What a bizarre concept.
Civilization is filled with bizarre concepts. That's why I've always steered clear of it.
Me too.
Why did you leave?
Daddy made me go potty.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's a potty?
Oh, another affectation of the civilized world. You see, apparently when nature calls, you've got to go to this one particular room and sit in this special chair.
Wow.
You're making this up.
No, wait. It's even more perverse than that. Everyone uses the same chair.
But wait. What if you gotta go and someone's already using the chair?
Then you have to wait.
What if you can't wait?
You have to.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, this is definitely not for me.
No.
Me neither. I want to go where I want to go.
Well, that's how we do it out here. You can go anytime you want, anywhere you want.
Yeah. Oh, anywhere?
Yeah, except over there. That's the volleyball court.
Oh, yes, of course. Thank you.
Boy, I like the forest. Hey, can I stay here with you?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
All are welcome here to do as you want, to live as you will in this verdant paradise where nature's bounty provides for all and all creatures coexist in perfect harmony. Except for that guy.
Put me down! Put me down!
My pleasure. Bombs away.
Again! Hi, I'm the baby. Gotta love me.
Oh, believe me, I do. And so will my little ones as soon as they hatch.
Yay! Playmates!
Not exactly. Although they do have a tendency to play with their food before tearing it to bits.
Huh?
Perhaps I'm being a bit obtuse. You see, when these little darlings hatch, they're going to require sustenance. And you, my rotund little reptile, will be their first course.
I'm food?
In a word. And don't even think about escaping. The fall would be most unpleasant.
This stinks. Move! Get out! Go!
Earl,
Morning, Fran.
are you two still in there?
Everything's fine, dear. We're on a roll.
I want you to open this door.
No can do, honey. Big things happening in here. Don't want to lose momentum.
Mind if I cut in front of you? You know, I'm late for school.
I was here first.
Robbie, I want you to break down the door.
Hey, you don't have to go that bad.
I do. Watch it.
Whoa.
Earl Sneed Sinclair! What are you doing? And where is my baby?
Well, that would depend, sweetheart. Where's the nearest ocean?
Oh, wow. Dad flushed the baby down the toilet.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Fran. I left him to get some juice, and when I came back, he'd been sucked down the toilet.
Earl, that's not possible.
Hey, somebody get down here and help me.
Now what?
Help!
Mom, what's wrong?
Well, first of all, you married that.
Oh.
But I was calling because my wheelchair's missing.
Hey, everybody, the back door's open.
Whoa. You stay here.
What'd you expect, fat boy? Look, the baby's bottle.
Check it out. Wheelchair tracks.
Great Scott!
What?
Don't you see what's happened? Some fiend broke in, flushed the baby down the toilet, drank his juice, and then escaped in Ethel's wheelchair. And yet he didn't take my wallet. We're obviously dealing with someone very stupid.
Robbie, take your father and find the baby.
Oh, yeah.
Charlene, you call the police.
Right.
I'll wait here in case he comes back.
Comes back? But, Fran, he doesn't know how to swim.
Don't worry, Dad. I'll explain it to you on the way. Yeah, that'll be fine. Come on. Yeah, I got your back. Don't worry about it, big guy. Yeah, come on.
Go to sleep. Nighty-night. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little eggies. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La la.
This is all my fault. He wasn't ready for potty training, but I was too blind to see. I was only concerned with my own needs. Why am I so selfish? Why? Why?
Hey, I think I see something. Hand me the binoculars.
No, they're mine. Take this.
Ah.
Right. Ha!
What?
It's Ethel's wheelchair.
Well, come on.
Okay.
Here, come
Go.
on.
Daddy's here.
Okay, I'll buy the ceramic chair filled with water. I'll even believe that they build the whole room around that one chair. But what's the roll of paper for?
Well, as I understand it, and I don't quite believe this myself, they take
Hey! What have you done with my son?
the demanding little pink fellow wheeling about in a chair.
That's him. What happened to him?
Well, apparently he fled civilization because some malicious bully tried to make him sit on a potty.
After that.
Well, we chatted a bit, and then he was carried away by a large winged reptile.
Over that way.
Over this way? Come on, Dad.
Johnny!
Look, Dad, there's the nest.
I'm here, son! John!
No!
Why not?
You make me go potty!
No, I promise I won't. I was wrong to make you do it.
Yeah!
And I won't make you do it again.
Good!
So calm down.
No!
Oh, come on. I said I was sorry. I'll prove it to you. Look, I brought a diaper. I surrender.
I'll think about it!
Oh, wait, Rob. I got you.
Nice catch, Dad.
Are you okay, son?
Yeah. Boy, I was scared. I was so scared, I need a new diaper.
Oh, got one right here. And we got plenty more at home. And we'll just keep on using them until you're ready. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, are you ready?
Not yet.
Oh. But you'll be ready soon, right?
Don't push me.
Okay. I'm sleeping.
I'm ready.
Okay, here's your special chair. Now, imagine there's a fire and you are the fire captain. No, 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 no! I'm not on fire. The fire is over there.